Are you tired of traditional learning methods that limit your flexibility and accessibility? Introducing Pantech Elearning Mobile App that unleashes the power of knowledge right at your fingertips. With Pantech, you can train and gain knowledge throughout the day, anywhere and anytime. Our app offers numerous benefits to learners including convenience, flexibility, personalization and cost effectiveness. You can track your progress and optimize your day with our app's feature that help you to learn at your own pace, including the ability to pause and play learning content at any time and from any location. Pantech offers accessibility to education for remote or busy individuals. Our app also offers interactivity, engaging learners with interactive features that enhance engagement and retention. We understand the importance of language diversity, which is why Pantech offers language options in Tamil, Telugu, and English. And with quick and easy downloads available on App Store and Google Playstore, you can start learning with Pantech in just minutes. Upgrade your learning experience today with Pantech, the e-learning mobile app. Join the countless learners who have already experienced the convenience, accessibility, interactivity, and cost effectiveness of our app.